Good day everyone, we are working out these CSEC past paper multiple choice questions. Number 1, the volume of a cube whose edge is 6 centimeters long is. So if we have a cube of edge 6 centimeters, that volume will be equal to 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 sixes are 36 multiplied by 6. So let's work that out. 36 multiplied by 6. 6 sixes are 36, cross the 6. 3 by 6 is 18 plus 3 is 21. So we get 216 cm cube. Our answer is D. Let's look at number 2. In a rectangular garden plot 15 meter long and 12 meters wide, an area of 80 meters squared is used for a vegetable garden. What area of the plot is left? So let's say we have our rectangular plot. Sometimes it's good to draw a diagram. And we have a width of 12 meters and a length of 15 meters. A certain portion of the space, 80 meters squared, will be used for a vegetable garden, and there will be an area of the plot left vacant. So let's find the area of the whole rectangle, which is length by breadth. So 15 times 12. 5 ones are 5, 1 ones are 1. Placeholder 5 twos are 10. 1 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. We add, we get 180. So the total area of the rectangular plot is 180 cm squared, and we have to subtract 80 to get 100. Sorry, not cm squared but meter squared. We have to be careful with our units. So our answer is B, number 2B. Number 3 now. A square has the same area as a rectangle with sides of length 9 centimeters and 16 centimeters. What is the length of the side of the square? So let's find the area of this rectangle. So the area of rectangle is length times breadth. So 16 times 9. And we work that out. 9 sixes are 54. Cross the 4. 1 9 is 9 plus 5 is 14. So 144 cm squared would be the area of the rectangle. So a square, the area of a square is side by side. All sides have the same length. So therefore, to get the answer, which is the length of one side, we have to find the square root of 144, which is 12 cm. So our answer is B. Let's move on to number 4. The volume of the cuboid is 320 cm cubed. So we have a diagram of the cuboid here. And the height is 5 cm. If the cuboid has a square base, what is the length of one side of the base? So this base below is a square base, and each side must be the same length. So let's call the length of one side x centimeters, and we are asked to find x. So we are given the volume, and to calculate the volume of a cuboid, it is length by width by height. So I can say 5 times x will give us 320 cm cubed. So 5 times x will be 5x squared, being 320. Let's divide both sides by 5 to solve this equation. X squared is equal to 320 divided by 5. 530 is 6. 520 is 4. So we get 64. But we want to find x, so we have to do the opposite of square. We have to square root both sides, and we get 8 cm. So x will be 8 centimeters. This is the missing length that we were asked to find. Our answer is A. Let's move on to number 5. The perimeter of a square is 52 centimeters. What is the area in a centimeter squared? So a square has all sides equal. So let's say the length of the side is x. And when we add up these x's, when we say x plus x plus x plus x, we get a perimeter which is 52. So x plus x plus x plus x gives 4x is equal to 52. And let's divide both sides by 4. So 52 over 4. 4 into 5 is 1, remainder 1, 4 into 12, 3. So we know that the length of one side of the square is 13 centimeters. But we are now asked to find the area in centimeters squared. And the area of a square is side multiplied by side. So our answer is 13 times 13. And we work this out. 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. 9, 6, 1. So we get 169 cm squared. And that is option C. So 5C is our answer. These are our answers. And do have a very safe and productive and happy day.